Yes, I got another t-shirt review for you guys. I thought since I'm in this deep reviewing t-shirt brands, I might as well throw in another one. So today we are checking out Barakett. Now, I have worked with this brand in a past video on how to dress up a t-shirt. I'll link it up for you guys to check out. But I also wanted to do, a more in-depth review and just give you more details. And they were also kind enough to agree, and they sent me different styles of items to share with you guys. So let's just get into it. Now, unlike the other brands that I reviewed, Barakett has been around the block for quite some time now, like way before I had a YouTube channel. And you can find them in higher end, department stores such as Nordstrom. On this channel, I covered many t-shirt brands that vary in different fabrics, but with this brand, we are dealing with their signature Pima cotton. Now, for those of you that don't know what that is, it's like the highest quality cotton around that's resistant to fading, pilling, while, remaining incredibly soft. So what we have here is their zip-up polo, a baseball bomber jacket, and a 3-pack of their signature tees with their dust bag also being made out of their signature Pima cotton, which I think is very cool and a very nice addition. Yeah, this is actually, I have a lot of dust bags, but I'm actually gonna keep this. Now, regarding the feel of the fabric, this is like by far the best Pima cotton fabric I've ever felt. I've tried other brands that are a bit more budget friendly, such as Banana Republic, Uniqlo, H&M, and the quality is seriously a night and day difference. The silky feel and slight sheen had me thinking it was a silk and cotton blend when I tried one on for the first time. The fabric is more of a middleweight fabric while having a deep gloss, silky finish, which gives it, that luxury appeal, in my opinion. One thing to note that not all Pima cotton tees were created equal. Many brands use a blend of some sort and market it as premium Pima tees, but really you're just getting more standard cotton than Pima, so look out for that by inspecting the tag inside to make sure you're getting what they claim to be made out of. Alright, so I just made a mess all over my table, but by going off the baggy to tight scale, the fit on these t-shirts are slim fit. I am in between sizes with this brand, so maybe I'll size up to a large next time. I do notice that the collar sits a bit higher up than usual, and the length sits perfect between the mid crotch area. Now, as for the polo, it does fit a bit looser compared to the t-shirts. I think after a wash and dry cycle, it'll fit perfect, but I really want to emphasize how the fibers are just so smooth and silky. Like, this isn't like a school uniform polo here. The bomber jacket, which is also made out of their signature Pima cotton, feels very lightweight to the point where I think I can wear this out in the summer if I wanted to, very breathable, and I can't express again how incredibly soft and smooth this Pima cotton is. I wish they had sweatpants or joggers to go with it. Now, with every wash test, I go through a hot wash and dry cycle, but for this brand, I suggest you follow the care guide, but I'll show you the outcome from that wash test anyway. So as you guys can see, it does fit a bit more snug, so if you're happy with the way it fits you when you first throw it on, then I suggest you follow the care guide. But if you accidentally threw it in a hot dry cycle, then a good steam should be able to loosen those fibers up. Another thing to note is that the color retention on these hold up incredibly well. I own many black tees, and I can pinpoint which one is a Barakett tee just by that deep glossy finish, and I have yet to deal with any issues of fading after months of use on my first shipment of their t-shirts. So that's a wrap on Barakett tees. It's definitely a step up in quality compared to other t-shirts I've reviewed, and if you're interested in checking them out, I'll leave a code for you to get 20% off your order. I believe that code is still active, so I'll make sure to leave it down in the description below. If you made it this far, thank you guys for sticking around, and new fall layering content is coming soon, and I'm excited to cover that finally. And thank you guys for watching once again, and please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.